Good morning, little one. Are you ready to have some alphabet fun today? Yes, today we are going to see about alphabet M. Come, let's start. This is capital letter M. This is small letter m. Can we repeat once again? This is capital letter M. This is small letter m. Now, let's see which are all starts with alphabet M. M4. Monkey. M4. Mouse. M4. Mushroom. M4. Milk. Can we say once again, kids? M4.
Monkey.
M4.
Mouse.
M4.
Mushroom.
M4.
Milk.
Today we are going to see about alphabet N. Come, let's start. This is capital letter N. This is small letter n. Can we repeat once again? This is capital letter N. This is small letter n. Now, let's see which are all starts with alphabet N. N4. Net. N4. Nest. N4. Necklace. N4. Newspaper. Can we say once again, kids? N4.
Net.
N4.
Nest.
N4.
Necklace.
N4.
Newspaper.
Today we are going to see about alphabet O. Come, let's start. This is capital letter O. This is small letter o. Can we repeat once again? This is capital letter O. This is small letter o. Now, let's see which are all starts with alphabet O. O4. Orange. O4. Owl. O4. Onion. O4. Octopus. Can we say once again, kids? O4.
Orange.
O4.
Owl.
O4.
Onion.
O4.
Octopus.
Thanks to all the little ones for learning alphabet letter O. In next video we will learn alphabet P.